Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about creating new commands in Unix shell. So when set of commands are required to be repeated for specific number of times, then it would be better to make them into a new command. That means if you are using combination of some commands repeatedly, then we make them into a new command. So now we see how we can create the new commands. So for that, first you are going to define the new command name. That means they can be assigned with user defined names, and second one, the user can use them like regular commands. Okay, now we can see with one example. In this example, so these are the two commands. One is who, another one is date. The who means it represents so who are currently logged. So currently logged into the system. That is the output of this who. So date prints the current date and time. Current date and time. So let us assume that I am going to use these two commands repeatedly. Now I combine these two commands and I can give one user defined name. So that is the first step. So I can write the cat, I create one command wt, so cat redirection operator wt. So in this I am going to write who semicolon date. Now these two commands are stored in a file. The file name is wd. So who date. Now if I print cat wd, then it prints who semicolon date. Now if I execute shwt, then it displays the who are the currently logged. For example, in my system I am the currently logged in. So for example, Varda and the remaining details, and date displays the current date. For example, Sunday 8 and month, like this. Okay, so we can see the exact output when we are execute these commands. Okay, next if I give the wd, what is the second step? User can use them like regular commands. How we can use the regular commands? If I want to list the files, I give ls. If I want to know the date, I give date. If I want to know who are logged in, then I can give who. So that means in the similar way, how we can execute this wt means if I give wd, then it prints the who are logged in and what is the date. Now if I give wd, what happened? It displays a message command wd not found. Now how we can make this as a normal command? Now we can see that. So for example, so this is my desktop. So this is my desktop. That means my present working directory is /home/Varada. So this is my present working directory. In this I created a file. What is the file name? wd. In the same directory I am going to create one directory name bin. That means here one folder is created. The folder name is bin. Okay, so after that I set the path. Okay, that means where we can store the executable files. If I give the wd, then the Unix operating system can search wd is in this bin directory. Now I can set the path by using path equals to /home/Varada/desktop/bin. That means I give the path as this directory. Okay, after that I can change the permission of wd. So from by default it is rw-rw-r-. Now I want to change like this rwx r-x. So how? chmod command plus x, the file name is wd. Now the command permissions are changed like this. After that I move this wd to bin. Now the wd is moved into bin. Okay, so now I can give this command wd as normal command wd, then it prints the who are logged in and what is the date. But here if you are using the same procedure, then the remaining commands will not be worked. So how we can make them work means you can add this path to existing path. So for example, the existing path is /bin. For this path you are going to add this path. We can see that practically. So now we can see how to create user defined commands. So now I can give who, date. So what is the output? The currently logged in details and date. Now I want to make a new command wd. So now I can write echo who, date. You can create the file with the help of cat also and a redirect to wd. Okay, so now we can check what is in wd. So who, date. How I can execute shwd. Now it displays the same as previous result. Now if I give wd, then it returns command not found. That means I want to make wd as a executable file first. So for that I can change chmod and plus x. You can give u plus x also, and I can give wd. Now I can check ls-l wd, then it have execution permission also. Okay, now I want to make this wd as a command. How? For that I can make a directory bin and I add this directory to path. So this is my current directory. So now I want to add this path to path. How I can know the path? There is a environment variable path. Okay, now for this path I am going to add new path. Okay, that means path, that means path equals to the existing path is this one and the new path is I want to append this path here. Okay, /bin, that's it. So my new path is my directory also. So #home or the desktop bin also. Now I can move this, move wd to bin. Okay, now I want to give this wd as a command. Now you can check that it executed as normal command. In this way you are going to create the new commands.